SATEL-EASy Plus radio modem package includes the device and the grounding screw for the grounding point of the back of the radio. The radio modem model is available with and without the LCD user interface. The data connector is T15 female with the power feed to the radio. RF connector is TNC female. The wall mounting plate is available separately. That package includes the wall mounting plate, the mounting screws for the plates, and the stickers for wall mounting. Also available separately, the DIN mounting plate to the back of the radio with mounting screws. The radio modem is compatible with many existing radio modem models, such like SATEL-EASy and SATEL-EASy Proof, and also with some obsolete models, such as SATEL-3AS NMS.